Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. First year today we are going to read our poem God's Attributes by Jalaluddin Rumi. Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi was Persian poet. He was a learned scholar. He was of the view that the love of God is an essential thing. Rumi's place in intellect lies in the fact that he is the greatest poet of the East. Dr. Iqbal got inspiration from his sublime thoughts. गॉड्स एट्रीब्यूट्स सफ़ात बारी ताला। ये नज़्म हमें अल्लाह ताला की सफ़ात आलिया से मुतल्लिक़ बताती है। अल्लाह ताला के तमाम सफ़ाती नाम हमें कोई ना कोई दर्स देते हैं, हमारी इस्लाह करते हैं और हमें रब करीम की कुदरत कामला से मुतल्लिक़ मालूमात फ़राहम करते हैं। मिसाल के तौर पर अल्लाह ताला बसीर है, ऐसा बसीर है जिसे बसारत के लिए आँख की ज़रूरत नहीं, ऐसा बसीर जो सारी कायनात में ज़र्रे ज़र्रे को देख सकता है। ये मुमकिन ही नहीं कि ऐसे बसीर से छुप कर गुनाह किया जा सके। तो अल्लाह ताला का बसीर होना हमें गुनाह से रोकता है कि वो हमें देख रहा है। अल्लाह ताला का समी होना हमें बुरे कलाम से बाज रखता है क्योंकि वो दिल की धड़कन तक को सुनता है। अल्लाह ताला अलीम है, ऐसा इल्म रखने वाला जो हमारे दिलों के राज तक से वाकिफ़ है। अल्लाह ताला की ये सिफ़त हमें मनफी सोच और बुरे ख़यालात से बाज रखती है। In this poem, the poet reveals the significance of God's attributes for human beings. The poet believes that these attributes are not just titles. Indeed, they can contribute a lot in developing human character. The poet believes that if we have a strong faith that God is all-seeing, all hearing and all knowing, we will think 100 times before doing an evil deed or using foul and objectionable language. All these attributes of God create fear in human mind to forbid from committing sins and vices. These attributes of God indeed play a vital role in developing our character and personality. The poet wants to say that nobody can hide himself or herself from God's eyes, to live freely and out of bounds and limits given by God. This present poem, God's Attribute, is written by Jalaluddin Rumi, but it is translated by Dr. Nicholson. First of all, we will paraphrase this poem. God's attributes. God calls himself seeing to the end that his eye may scare you from sinning. Allah is the all-seeing. It is one of his divine attributes. He sees everything, whether it is hidden or visible, whether it is tiny or gigantic. He sees all the things all the time, neither does he doze off nor does he sleep. He has an eye on everything. His perfect sight surrounds all the creatures. He sees every detail and every reaction in all things. This attribute of Allah stops people from sinning. They dare not do evil deeds as they know that Allah sees them all the time. It is because of this that some sage scholar has said, do an evil deed if you want to do it, but seek a place where Allah cannot see you. यानी कि किसी ने आलम ने क्या कहा है कि अगर गुनाह करो अगर तुम करना चाहते हो, मगर ऐसी जगह तलाश करो जहाँ तुम्हें खुदा ना देख सके. God calls himself hearing to the end that you may close your lips against foul discourse. Allah is the all hearing. इनके फर्स्ट एट्रीब्यूट क्या थी? Allah is all seeing. और सेकंड क्या है? Allah is all hearing. He hears each word, knows each secret and perceives each thought. He knows every idea produced in every brain. He listens to everything perfectly and limitlessly. That this is one of his great attributes. Allah says that his attributes are beautiful. The Holy Quran says, the most beautiful names belong to Allah, so call on him by them. Allah has told us about his names and attributes in the Holy Quran. Calling Allah by his beautiful names maintain our close association with him. These names strengthen our belief in Allah. These attributes of Allah are just to do the good deeds and stop us from doing evil deeds. He hears all his creatures all the time. This attribute of Allah stops us from foul talk. We know that Allah hears whatever we utter. God calls himself knowing to the end that you may be afraid of him to plot an evil. इनके इस पोइम में जो थर्ड अल्लाह की एट्रीब्यूट्स जो बयान की गई उसमें फर्स्ट में सीइंग आपने पढ़ी, सेकंड था हियरिंग है और थर्ड क्या है ऑल knowing. Allah's attributes are beautiful. They exert an enormous impact on human soul. One of these names of Allah is Al-Alim, the all-knowing and the omniscient. This attribute reveals that Allah has complete knowledge of all the things. He knows everything perfectly. He knows all things, both secret and open. He knows what we reveal or conceal. None can hide anything from him. When we have this attribute of Allah in view, we stop from doing evil deeds. Thus, this attribute of Allah makes us obey his commands. Ultimately, it makes us upright and virtuous. Line number 7 to 10. These are not mere accidental names of God. As a Negro may be called camphor, so are these names derived from God's attributes and not mere vain titles of the first cause. In the last 4 lines, the poet says that all the names of Allah reveal his great attributes. They are not merely his accidental names. For example, a Negro may be called camphor. So camphor would be an additional name of the Negro. It does not show any of his attributes because camphor is white in color while the Negro is black because a Negro is black in color. Likewise, a man may have many names besides his first name. These names may not be necessary to point out any of his personal traits, but as far as Allah's names are concerned, they are not merely names. They reveal Allah's exceptional qualities and attributes. Okay, students, now look at the synonyms or the vocabulary of this poem. Seeing, one who sees, al-basir, इनकी अल्लाह की सिफ़त है. Hearing, one who hears, समी, खुदा की सिफ़त है. Scare, making fearful, खौफज़दा करना. Sinning, committing sin, होना. Foul, undesirable, vile, नापसंदीदा. Discourse, talk, speech, dialogue, गुफ्तगू. Knowing, one who knows, al-alim. प्लॉट, प्लान, एन ईवल, किसी के ख़िलाफ़ कोई बुराई का मंसूबा बनाना. एक्सीडेंटल, बाय चांस. निग्रो, डार्क स्किन्ड, हबशी. कैम्फोर, इट मीन मस्क, जो बहुत काफूर का जो कलर. डिराइव, ऑब्टेन, हासिल करना. एट्रीब्यूट्स, क्वालिटीज़, ट्रेड्स, फाथ. मेयर, ओनली. वेन, मीनिंगलेस. फर्स्ट कॉज, the creator. Okay, look at the word meaning exercise. His eye may scare you from sinning. There are 4 options: alarm, force, involve and devalue. Yes, first one, alarm is the correct option. His eye may alarm you from sinning. You may close your lips against foul discourse. Discourse, act, dealing, information and communication. Okay, D option is correct, communication. You may close your lips against foul communication. You may close your lips against foul discourse. Foul is for intentional, unwise, unfair, simple. Yes, it is unfair. गलत जो ज़बान बोलते हैं. You may be afraid of him to plot an evil, execute, perform, conspire or prevent. It is the C option, conspire, conspiracy से कि साजिश करना किसी के खिलाफ. These are not accidental names of God. Accidental is for exact, by chance, perfect, surprising. Okay, accidental is by chance. These are not accidental. B option is correct. As a Negro may be called camphor. Negro, African, Dutch, French, or Scandinavian. African. As a Negro may be called camphor. Musk, इसके लिए ए ऑप्शन मस्क. The names are derived from God's attributes. Derived is for modeled. Modeled, explained, drawn. Remember, drawn, C option. These names are derived from God's attributes. Attributes, images, qualities, attention, and blessings. B option, qualities, and not mere vain titles of the first cause. Famous, meaningful, glorious, and meaningless. Yes, meaningless, D option is correct. Now we will do the exercise of this poem. You have to prepare short question answers also for this for examination point of view. How many attributes of Allah are mentioned in the poem? 3 attributes of Allah have been mentioned in the poem. They prove that Allah is the knowing, the seeing, and the hearing. Okay, question number 2 is what makes one scared of sinning? कौन सी चीज़ इंसान को आदमी को गुनाह से डराती है या बाज रखती है? Allah is all seeing. He sees everyone all the time. Nobody can hide from Allah. This attribute of Allah stops people from sinning as they know that Allah is seeing them. इनके अल्लाह ताला बसीर है. अल्लाह ताला की ये सिफ़त जो है इंसान को ये इस बात से डराती है कि अल्लाह ताला से वो छुप नहीं सकता. तो इसकी वजह से इंसान जो है वो गुनाहों से रुक सकता है कि अल्लाह ताला उसे देख रहा है. What are the facts of the attributes of Allah? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्या है कि what अल्लाह ताला की जो सफ़ात हैं उनके क्या असरात हैं कि Allah's attributes urge us to do good deeds. They also stop us from doing evil deeds. For example, Allah is the knowing. It stops us from doing evil deeds. As Allah knows everything, it also urges us to get knowledge. Question number 4 is mention 3 more attributes of Allah. इनके अल्लाह की मज़ीद 3 सफ़ात बयान करें. There are 99 attributive names of Allah. कि अल्लाह के 99 जो सफ़ाती नाम हैं. These names express various attributes of Allah. Besides the attributes mentioned in the poem, the other 3 attributes of Allah are the gracious, the merciful, the forgiving. इनके अल्लाह ताला की क्या सफ़ात हैं? मज़ीद 3 सफ़ात, रहमान, रहीम, गफूर. The gracious, the merciful, the forgiving. Question number 5 is how do these attributes help in refining the character of a person? कि किस तरह की अल्लाह ताला की सफ़ात का इंसान के किरदार पे क्या असर पड़ता है? Allah's attributes urge us to do good deeds. They also stop us from doing evil deeds. कि हम गुनाह से बच जाते हैं, बुरे कामों से. For example, Allah is the knowing. It urges us to get knowledge. It stops us from doing evil deeds as Allah knows everything. In this way, they refine our character. Question number 6 is, do you think these attributes of Allah are remembered and kept in mind by us in our daily routine work? The pious and God-fearing people remember Allah's attributes and keep them in mind in their daily routine work, but usually people do not keep them in mind. They pay no heed to them. Consequently, they fall prey to dirty deeds. Then there is question number 7. Make pair of words similar in sound. Here, although there is a question of pair of words in your grammar, there are same pairs. Wait and wait, and bend, scare, dare, vain, crane, lips, slips, day, and then there is mere, sheer, talk, walk, that, bat. Okay, students, thanks for watching. Please prepare the poem for your test. Thank you.